Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a Google account on both your PC and phone. To delete the account on your PC, open Chrome, make sure you're on the account you want to delete, click on the profile on the top right, click Manage your Google account. On the left, click Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, click Delete your Google account, enter your password. It'll show you what's going to be deleted. Check both these boxes and click Delete Account. To delete the account from your phone, open Google. Tap the account in the top right, tap Manage your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy, scroll all the way to the bottom, click Delete your Google account. You will probably have to enter your password. Check these two boxes at the bottom, press Delete account. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to sign in on a different account, click like and subscribe, and share it with anybody that you think might need it.